Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to make the Paper Cabbage Rose. I'll be linking all the materials and the template below the video, and I also have other roses and Juliet roses available, and I'll be linking that below as well. First, you'll start with the center fringes. You'll need 2 of those and glue that onto a floral wire stem. Next, I cut out all the petals in blush and the bigger flower petals in cream color. I like to work in increments of 5, and each cabbage rose will need 2 sets of 5 of each size. I also have a template file named Cabbage Page where I already have the page set up for you if you don't want to individually upload them. And on that, you'll see that there are 4 sizes, and we have 10 total of each size, all of them fitting on 1 letter size paper. Take the first set of the smallest 5 petals and stack it up and shape by curling in. Then glue the bottom and add that to the fringe center. Since you have 5 pieces, think of a star shape as you angle the pieces to make the first 5 fit around the circle. Next, take the second set of the smallest size 5 petals and shape the same way and add that right behind the first set of 5. Do not crisscross between the layer, it should just meet up at the bottom point. You could also feel free to get creative with the colors, but I usually like these flowers with the blush inside and cream off-white on the outer layer, like you saw in the introduction of this video. Next, take the second set of 5 and curl in. This time we will also curl the right corner out. Grab the other set of 5 of the second size and shape by curling in, and this time we are curling the left corner out. When you see them, they should be mirrored with their curled out tips. Then we'll start with the pieces that have the right corner curled out. Glue them on the bottom and attach this by angling to the left side of the previous layer. The bottom points should still meet together, but I am forcing the shape to lean towards the left side. Next layer, we'll be doing the same, but leaning towards the right. I am also pushing in and fitting between the previous layers when doing this. Next will be the third size. Take the set of 5 and curl in and curl the left corner out, and the other set of 5 curl in and curl the right corner out. We are doing the same by leaning on the left side of the previous layer, then the other set should be leaning on the right side. The curled tips should always be towards the center of the flower. For our last and biggest size, make sure to curl in, but curl out the longer corners. You'll have to flip over the other set of 5 and curl in and curl the left corner, which should be the longer corner. Then glue them by sliding in the curled corner side towards the center, and do the same to the right side of the previous layer. Next, you should have 3 of the flower shapes, and with the stack, curl in each petal. If you want to shape them one at a time, you can instead of the stack of 3, if it's easier on your hands. Then I also curl the tips slightly back. Then poke a hole in the center and attach that to the floral wire stem. Glue the bottom and slide up the first flower. Make sure to make the flower shape meet with the pattern we are having. Do not crisscross them yet. If some of the petals are loose, make sure to add a little more glue to each petal. Next, poke a hole on the center and add your second flower, but this time we will be crisscrossing from the first flower. Then do the same to your third flower, also crisscrossing from the second layer. Make sure to glue any loose petals. If the glue didn't catch all the petals, I individually glue them. Next, poke a hole to your bottom leaf and add that to the bottom. Then I like to add about 7 leaves onto the stem, and this is optional. You could add more or less also. The leaves are cut in pairs, and with the pair, I fold it down the middle and have a thinner floral wire ready. Add a little bit of glue down the center and add the floral wire, then quickly glue a circle around the wire and attach the pair right above sandwiching petal wire. Then shape by slightly curling the top. This is a quick process where you want to sandwich and shape before the glue fully dries. It is harder to shape when the glue cools down. You'll need to repeat this and make a few more. Next, floral tape right below the leaf, and about an inch below, add 2 leaves and floral tape, and you could add another set of 2 leaves an inch below that. Then do another set of branch. For this one, I only did 3 leaves. Lastly, floral tape the flower below and attach the leaf branch about a couple inches below the flower. Make sure to check out my other versions of the rose linked below. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching.